Alright, welcome back to another 6-element install video. Today we are going to be showing you how to install your Rev 6 piggyback system. And as always, first we start off with taking off the engine cover. Then go ahead and disconnect the negative side of your battery. Then you can go ahead and begin taking off your intake. And after you've got that intake disconnected, you are going to be removing the filter box. Now go ahead and remove your filter box from your car. And once you've got that filter removed, it's time to take the wiring harness portion of your Rev 6 and attach it to your car. Now first things first, go ahead and open up your fuse box, and you're going to want to attach the supplied quick taps to the red and blue wires. Make sure they're fully clipped down, and it may require a pair of pliers. When seated correctly, you should hear it click. Now go ahead and remove the nut that's holding down the grounding wire to your fuse box, and then remove the bolt that's holding in the fuse box to the car. Now once you've done that, go ahead and take the red wire that's connected to the Rev 6 and put it where you removed the nut from the grounding connection to your fuse box. Once you've tightened that down, move down to where you removed the bolt that holds in the fuse box and place the grounding wire from the Rev 6 in that position. And once you're done with that, take the green wire and attach it to the quick tap that's attached to the red wire on your fuse box. Then attach the gray wire to the quick tap that's connected to the blue wires on your fuse box. And once that's done, you can start plugging everything back in and putting the cover back on. Next, you can start routing the Rev 6 wiring harness through your engine bay. This can be done however you'd like, as long as it's neat and doesn't get in the way of any moving parts. And once you've got the wiring harness in a good position, you can start connecting it to your factory plug-in points. Now once you've got the wiring harness sorted out, we can begin attaching the Rev 6 itself to the top of the fuse box using some supplied adhesive strips. Place the adhesive strips on either side of the Rev 6 and then remove the backing. Once you've done that, just center it on the top of your fuse box and apply pressure. And And once you've got the Rev6 all hooked up, it's time to reassemble your intake system. Now once you've got your intake back in place, go ahead and reconnect your battery connection, and when you connect your battery, you should see a flashing light on the top of the Rev6. This means that it's ready to pair. Now once you're finished under the hood, go ahead and pull up our app. Click on the gear on the top right hand corner of your screen, pair the app with your vehicle, and to ensure that it's paired, you should be able to see your throttle position increase and decrease. And once you see that it's working properly, you are ready to go.